Hey, I'm Barry from Sunken My Railroad, and I wanted to give you an update on my layout. This is where I am right now. I've spent many hours, maybe 100 hours getting all the signals to work. Right now, there's 16 signals that control the layout. I also got the um, grade crossings working from Signal Logics, and I'm sort of about to begin um, finalizing the layout. I also got the box that the layout's going to fit into it. I'm going to do a separate video on all those things. And so this is just kind of a quick update. The great thing about this layout really is the signals. Once I get everything kind of in place, I'm going to do the catenary and get that all positioned. I really don't want to put it down yet because I'm afraid I'm going to damage it. So I want to get everything functioning on the layout before I really get into that space. So here's the control panel, and these are the different blocks at the station. This is the turnout right here. This is the siding, and then this right here is the other turnout, and then this is the doors for the engine house. So whenever I change the siding, the signal changes as well. So every siding has one of these. So if I want to bring out the train, the T Express, you can see here's the distance signal. So here's the signal for the train. Green, red. Then I've got the other turnouts for the station. And on this side of the layout, I've got the signal for if there's a train coming the other way. And then this is the distance signal for that. And then going the other way, coming into the station, you've got, or proceed with caution. And then that also changes the aspects of these signals here. So you can see everything's functioning. It's one of the coolest things. And then this is the exit signal for the siding. And on the other side, the entrance signal for the siding is either enter cautiously or green, which is main line. So in Z-scale, this all works. The other thing that I have functioning are the grade crossings, which the speaker for this actually has a bell. The speaker is inside this house. On the other side, the speaker for these is in this house here. So it's loud enough where you can hear it. So I'm going to run the train and you get to hear it. And when it hits about here, this one's going to go off right about here. So if I want to stop the train, I can stop it there, bring it out. This is the mock-up of the Göppingen station. The one that I built on my other layout is really from 1972, and I was in Göppingen, Germany about 2 years ago, and I took a lot of photographs, and this is what I'll put up a picture of what this station actually looks like from the sky, and I'm going to build something that looks a little bit more like the modern station here. I'm going to have, there's a walkway here that there's a Burger King, a little walkway here that goes over here, and then on this side there's a company called WS Kundencenter, which is here, and then the taxis coming here. There's the carport here. This is the exit, and the entrance to the carport is here. And so this is kind of my mock-up of what this is going to look like, because I want it to look like the modern station. This road, actually, if you go to Göppingen, this is actually where the city is here. So there's no grass, which is interesting. And then this is a one-way road that goes just this way. So I was trying to figure out how to get rid of half this road, but it just looked weird. So I'm going to suspend disbelief and just bring it in this way. But this is going to be a slot that's going to go down into the layout for the car. There's actually a carport under the train station today. So it's going to have, so when you see this, it's going to look like the modern station. I've got two of these kits I'm going to kit bash, and I'm going to try to do the interior as accurate as the station is today, which I think is going to be really, really cool once this is done. When you shut this off and you turn on all the lights, this layout really lights up. I mean, it's really phenomenal. You know, when you look at all the signals in the dark, it's really a thing of beauty, honestly. Here's all the little LEDs, and it's really been a lot of fun. I've got a couple hundred hours into this so far, and I've built the box as well, but that I'm going to talk about in a different video. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.